Hello everyone and welcome to this lit tutorial for beginners. This will be a complete walkthrough. Ever wondered how top tier YouTubers use Billboard hits from artists like Sia, Charlie Puth, or Imagine Dragons without getting hit by that dreaded copyright strike? Usually, using mainstream music is a one-way ticket to losing your monetization, or worse, having your video blocked globally. But today, that changes. Welcome to the ultimate walkthrough of Lick.co, the platform that has officially bridged the gap between content creators and the world's biggest record labels. In this guide, we're going to cover everything from setting up your account and navigating the music library to understanding the difference between mainstream claims and stock music. So if you want to try Lick yourself, you can go ahead and use my link down below in the description to get a 7-day free trial and start using licensed music in your YouTube videos easily. Now let's talk about the heart of the platform, the search and discover function. Navigating this is the difference between a video that feels amateur and the one that feels like a professional production. Now, of course, at the top you can see the search bar and it says search for anything. Of course, after typing it in, you can click on the go button and you'll find the results related to what you typed here. However, before doing that, you want to click on the filter icon right here. And here you'll see filters. And then you can filter by catalog type, all, premium, or included, by instrumental, to show, hide, or only instrumental. Then you have genres. If you click on the drop down, you can see that there are 25 different genres, which you definitely will find what you're looking for among these. If we minimize the genres, you could also search by moods, right? If you're not used to genres and you want to select by mood, you could go ahead and select for moods. Angry, calm, cheerful, inspirational, hopeful, mysterious, etc. Going to close this again, and then licensable platforms. You can see YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, and a lot of them. You can also search by tempo. If you want the BPM to be closer to 300, between 238 and 380, you'll be able to adjust the slider to get to what you're looking for. As you see, we brought it to 179 and you can see some changes right here. Just take a look at this area. If we move the slider to the left, it will find the tracks accordingly. If you want it to be slower, faster, you could choose from here instead of using the slider. And then of course you have the duration filter. So if you want the duration to be shorter, if you'd like to have say 9 minutes, instead of the 17 minutes, you can come to about 9 minutes, leave it at that and see what you find. And of course you could also select what is available in your country. It's currently on show all, or you could hide what is unavailable. Then of course, if you've made some adjustments to the filters and you've lost your way, you can come over here and click on clear filters. And that will clear the filter for you. And then of course you can see the try story match, and this is great if you need music for a specific scene or use in your videos. You could try this, and of course you could harness the AI powered story match feature by typing in the description of the scene you want for your music, and once you click in search you'll be able to find the result right here. Say you have a track you like, among the options, you can see that if we hover over it, there are some options right here. Let's walk you through some of them. So you have Sorry by Justin Bieber, then you have the similar icon right here. So if you'd like to find similar tracks, just simply go ahead and click on similar. It's going to take a moment to find similar tracks to Justin Bieber's Sorry. You can see the genres, pop and R&B, and the mood, and you can see them right here. Then of course, similar tracks finally, and you can see the options right here. No One Like You by Sam Myers, and other options. If you'd like to refresh it, this is up to you. And of course, you have some other options right here. So that's how you can make good use of the similar tracks option. So if Sorry is a favorite, but if you feel like it's already commonly used and you like something similar, but not exactly the Sorry, then you get to use this button. And of course, you can see the genres, the mood, the duration, and if it's premium or not. And then you have the favorite icon right here. You could favorite this. It's going to be added to your favorites. And then if you want to click on plus, you can create a new playlist. This is a great feature, which of course helps you to go straight to your playlist instead of searching on future occasions. So you can go straight to your playlist and have a short list of songs depending on your project. And then you have the 3 dots here. If we click on it, it will provide you with more information on the song. Of course, you can see some of the information right here, but this provides even more. You can see the tempo, the genres, mood, and you can see manually cleared claims, usually within 48 hours. So if you're having any claims issues with this song, you can expect this to be resolved in 48 hours. And of course, you can see the usage. You cannot remix this song, you cannot use this for DJ mixes, and there is no lyric or art tracks. One use per license, so this means that you can just use this for just one product or just one video. And then you can see the allowed platforms. There you have it, YouTube. So no worries about copyright claims because Lickd will handle it for you. You could go, of course, to view the license agreements, or if you'd like to view more details on the artist or to the release, this is also up to you. At this point, it is important to remember that the right music can literally double your retention rates. If you want to try Lickd yourself, you can go ahead and use my link down below in the description to get a 7-day free trial and start using licensed music in your YouTube videos easily. Moving over to the top, away from the search option, if we click on browse, you can see that you can search for categories, themes, playlists, and more. So you can see featured artists, genres, top hits, video themes, soundtracks, eras and decades, moods and vibes, premium playlists, and more. So you can see that from Lickd, whether you're searching using the search or the browse, you're not going to feel lost because you'll definitely find something you might like. Of course, if we click on video themes, for example, it says created selections for your video subject. So you can see for travel, music, arts, film, and literature, etc. So let's click on sports. You find music that's a perfect match for sports. So you can see popular in sports, playlists, sounds for FIFA, fitness, golf range, etc. So either you're using the search option or you're using the browse option. This definitely is geared to helping you get to your music choice quickly. So for example, if you choose Adrenaline Workout and you go ahead and select this song, I'm going to click on the card icon right here. You can see this is similar to this. If you click on it, then go back, select another one, click on the card icon, you can see it's going to change to 2. Great. And that means that if you go over to your card, you'll be able to see the music which you selected. You can see so far we chose 2. Of course, you can see license agreements. If you click on it, you'll be able to see the details such as the license type. So what can we learn from this? Basically, this tells you that you can expect automated claims clearance for your use of this product. And then it says license does not expire and of course use within 6 months. And then when it comes to the usage, something similar to what we had before. And then here under allowed platforms, you'll see YouTube, Facebook, and a lot of them. There are restrictions, of course, for this sound, so you can see what you need to avoid when using this sound. So by this, you should know that you need to look at the license agreement in order to use it properly. And that's why you have the red icon right here, because it's important for you to know the rules that you can work with. So once you click on it and read through for each of these, it's going to go away. Claim clearance usually within 30 minutes, which is great. So if you scroll down, you see more details. Key info about your license. There are 3. The music can't be played during any ad or product integration. The music can't be used for a song, lyric video, or art track. And your video title can't contain the song and artist name. So if you're dealing with Lickd, you need to follow these instructions so you don't have any issues along the way. Of course, if you have these in your cards, you can go ahead and pay as you go if you're not on a subscription. But if you are, you can expect a better price. If we go over to the top right corner, you can see account. Once you click on the drop down, you can see my account, claim statuses, licenses, and my playlists. If we click on my account, it's going to take you to this page where you can see your plans and billing, licenses, orders, claim statuses, my profile, playlist, favorites, credits and coupons, and Lickd affiliate scheme. Also, if you have another channel, you can come over here to add another. As you can see, this is our current channel, but if you add another, you can toggle between your channels and make good use of what Lickd has to provide for you. Now let's briefly talk about the claim statuses. If you come over to claim statuses, here is where you'll be seeing everything related to claims. Of course, as you can see, it says sorry you haven't got any videos at the moment. This is where you'll be able to see if any of your videos are cleared of any potential claims, so you can have a peace of mind while working with productions from Lickd. As you can see, Lickd is the definitive solution for creators who are tired of copyright headaches and want to elevate their production value to the highest possible level. We've covered the dashboard, the music search, and the claims clearing process. Now it's your turn to take action. So if you want to try Lickd yourself, you can go ahead and use my link down below in the description to start a 7-day free trial and start using licensed music in your YouTube videos easily. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.